So I started mocking to see what the exhaust is gonna look like. And this is one of the turbos is gonna sit. And the other one's gonna be routed around and sit directly not aside from this. Of course, it's gonna be pointing down this way and connected right here to the intercooler. But that is sick. That's absolutely sick. All right, I came to realization if I want to get the driver's side done, it's gonna be a lot easier if I take off the side fender. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So then from there we can start mocking the turbo. I'm hoping that tonight, you can already see it's dark, but tonight I'm gonna have both turbos mounted just so y'all can see side by side what's gonna look like. After some work, I went ahead and I got that bumper out. Honestly, the most painful one was this bolt and this bolt. These were pretty hard to get to. Oh, and also this one. But we got it out. Now we can put that header back in there and see how much pipe we're gonna need to get down and around in here. So as you can see, I already routed up and around, and then right there. Probably gonna change this to a straight one or something, and gotta cut the pipe, weld the joint right here, and then I'm gonna put both turbos, and that's gonna be it for tonight. But at least tonight we'll see exactly how both turbos are gonna look like. So I'll put this one back on, but I need to get one cutting of a pipe and one weld of a pipe, and I gotta get all this situated to get that done. I took the pipe that was right here, I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna weld one with it to go this way. Cut it right here, weld it this way and this way, so the turbo can be where the kind of center to where the other turbo will be as well. So my dad just got home and he gave me the idea of welding something right here to hold this big boy in place. And basically this is how it's gonna be looking. So there's not gonna be that pipe sticking out up there anymore, and the turbo is gonna be sitting right here, facing down. And then the other one's gonna be right here, facing down. And the intercooler is gonna be about right here or so. But for here, to keep this one in place, we're gonna weld this clamp right here to each other, and then gonna put it back there, and then just gonna put 2 bolts on it, and it's gonna hold that to the frame of the car. On a side note, my blow-off valve came in as well, and I haven't even actually looked at it. But it's pretty cool. It just came in a couple days ago. I think it was yesterday actually, and it has a cutoff, which I really like. Let me show y'all. So the blow off will go on top, and then this is for you to weld into your pipe. I really like this. And there's some of these for you to get for a wastegate as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those because it makes your life a lot easier. So I'm gonna get them, but as of right now, I gotta go ahead and cut this pipe a little bit further back where the pin mark is, also because it's all fucked up. So I wanna kinda adjust it to make it better. And hope that I can keep a straight line on it. I don't know if I'll be able to. It's still in a curve, but we're going to try our best. So let me go cut this. I'll get back with y'all. And then I'm going to try welding this one right here, and the other one from it going this way. So let's take a look at it. So I went ahead and wet those two together, and then I cut them back off because me and my dad got it a little bit higher now. So now we're going to probably cut a little bit of this one off so we don't have to shave the frame of the car. And it's going to be pointed this way. But I had to make sure to go ahead and take every single piece of paint out. I'm still going to have to hit the right there, because that paint is flammable. And it's not a good thing whenever I'm trying to weld and it just catches on flame. So now we're going to put that 45 right here. Probably going to either cut this one a little bit or even cut the 45 a little bit. Most likely right here, so we don't have to deal with this. And then come from here up, make a bracket right here. It's going to be 2 bolts coming up. And then coming out right here, I'm just gonna leave it around right here somewhere. Not completely sure just yet. With the less amount of welding I can do, the best. So probably gonna leave up here somewhere. Trying to leave it in front of the alternator. So we'll see how it goes.